to thank all of our followers. We hit over 1,000 over the weekend, and man, I really appreciate that. I appreciate you guys following us, making comments. This thing is a monster. It is for sale. 4L80, I would highly recommend on this because of the horsepower that this is going to have. And if you know how to drive it, you're going to find that it's going to hold up. So I do have some vehicles here that are my own personal rides, that if you want to take a ride to actually feel what kind of power we're talking about, we can definitely do that also.
She was doing 80,